Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to add glass effect into image in Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add glass effect into image. Click the document and go to the insert menu, then click picture option and choose a picture on our file. Now I choose the picture and insert it. Now we can see here we add a picture in this document. Now we add glass effect in this picture. Click the picture and go to the format menu, then click the artistic effect. Now we can see here many effect we find and click the glass effect. Now we can see here this is a glass effect and we apply it. Now we can see here we add glass effect into image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.